Okay, hello you all. My name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. So I am kind of posting regularly now, not regularly, but yes, still. But yeah, I have got another Amazon haul for you guys because you kind of loved the previous one, and I'm pretty sure that you are going to love this one as well because I have got some really amazing things, and it's not just about dresses or clothes this time. It's dresses, shoes, bags, accessories. I've got it all. So let's get started with the video. And before we get into the video, I don't usually say this, but subscribe to my channel because I am posting after so long and I really want to push all of my videos. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let me just show you all the stuff that I have today. It's kind of this box, everything I've put in this box, and then this bag because can you see? Now let's get started with the video. I think I'm going to open this bag first of all because I was honestly so excited for it. I don't know if I'm planning a beach vacation or not. This bag is going to come in so handy. The quality is really nice in the first look itself. The quality is good, amazing actually, and इट लुक्स सुपर शीक लाइक आपकी कोई बीच ड्रेसेस होंगी उसके साथ ही बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है प्लस इट इज सो स्पेशियस लाइक यू कैन सी बहुत ज्यादा ही स्पेशियस है आई कैन लिटरली कीप माई लाइफ इन इट इट्स वेरी स्पेशियस यू कैन सी इसका साइज बहुत ज्यादा है सो आई थिंक इट्स अ 10 आउट ऑफ 10 फ्रॉम माई साइड ये ड्रेसेस के साथ भी चला जाएगा ये आपके जैसे बीची फिट्स व्हाइट कलर के मोनोक्रोम फिट्स के साथ फ्लोरल ड्रेसेस के साथ सबके साथ ये जूट बैग चला जाता है So that was about it. I think it's a 10 out of 10 and let me just tell you the price for this product. Okay, so the price for this bag is 999 rupees, which I think is a great steal to be very honest. It's going to come in very handy. It's like आपको एक बैग रखना है अपनी पूरी ट्रिप के लिए and it's going to carry everything. आपको कहीं भी space की दिक्कत नहीं होगी. So that was about it and now let's move to the next product. Okay, so moving on, next up I have this bag right over here. So now I've seen a lot of creators using this bag and I was like, what is this bag? I love it so much. Is it Zara? Is it H&M? But then I found it on Amazon and this one again is for only 1030 rupees. I feel, yeah, 1030 I paid for this bag and it looks so cool. Like you can see, I've used it in so many of my videos previously if you go to my channel, but this bag is so chic. I understand it's a bit too small, like literally as big as my face, but then I feel like it's going to hold, it is spacious. It's going to hold your phone, your chargers, your lip glosses, a small comb, and probably a power bank as well because बाहर से ये बहुत छोटा लग रहा है but अंदर से it is so spacious and you get a sling strap as well, but the beauty of this bag is to just carry it like this, to be very honest, and it closes up like this. I'm like, this is so chic. इसका design, quality, everything is so good. I am obsessed with this bag. मतलब मैंने ये वीडियो के लिए बैग नहीं लिया था बिल्कुल भी, मैंने ये अपने लिए लिया है एंड ऑनेस्टली दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस बैग्स जो कि आपके वेकेशन के लिए आपको वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन वेयर दिस इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट फॉर ब्रंचेस और एनी डेट्स. लाइक दिस इज अ परफेक्ट बैग फॉर एनी ओकेजन. आई थिंक आई हैव सो मेनी आउटफिट्स, even trousers and ऐसे fits के साथ भी I can style this bag. So yeah, that was about it. Love it. It's an 11 out of 10. I am going to keep it with me. Definitely a pick, definitely a steal. I'm going to link everything down below. Do check out the description box. And yeah, now let's move on to the next product. Okay, now in this one I have shoes as well, but I want to go ahead with the dresses first. And let me show you one of my favorite pieces from this particular haul, I feel. Is so pretty. Like you can see the colors and it's not like one of those cheap colors, to be very honest, like the cheap fabric. It is from Only, by the way, so you know the fabric is going to be good and it looks pretty good. So let me just try it on and show it to you guys and we are going to do a first impression on this dress. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the dress. Let me just show it to you in the mirror. Okay, so this is the dress, the full dress, and the colors are absolutely beautiful on this one. The fabric is really good quality, and the sleeves are again very comfortable. This is such a beauty, to be very honest. ये मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी ये ड्रेस. Even perfect for casual brunches or like fun vacations. सबके लिए सही है. and the fit is also really nice. I got this one in size medium, fits me perfectly. And this is the close up of the dress. Okay, so I'm carrying this bag with this particular dress and it looks beautiful. So yeah, that was about it. I got this one in size medium, and I got it for I think 1,100 rupees. So I'm going to write the price over here, and now let's move on to the next item. Okay, by the way, I also got these heels, and the quality is so good. Plus, I just wore them. मैंने आपको दिखाने के लिए निकाली because they are so comfortable. मतलब I did not expect them to be this comfortable. And now let me just wear it with this dress that I'm wearing right now and show it to you all. And you can see the quality is amazing, plus the shine is great. And इसकी heel perfect है, मतलब मुझे ना कम चाहिए ना ज़्यादा चाहिए. I think this is perfect. So moving on, this is the next dress. It is so good. मतलब all black, and then there is a slight slit. Don't mind the mirror, I just don't have the time. But yeah, these are the heels. Love them, they are so comfortable, plus the perfect height. मतलब मुझे इससे कम भी नहीं चाहिए, इससे ज़्यादा भी नहीं चाहिए. So it's easy to walk in. I absolutely love them. ये तो these are तो definitely a steal. So the price for the heels is 999 and the price for the dress is 721 rupees, and they both look so good together. So comfortable, fitting my body perfectly. It's like hugging my body, and then I love these heels. Yeah, that was about it. This combo is like a 10 out of 10, and now let's move on to the next outfit. So this is the next dress that I'm going to be talking about. So again, this is a really nice fit. The fabric is really good. It has got this chain, which I think बंद करके ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है than open. मतलब मैंने दोनों तरह से पहन के देखी थी, and I feel this is so much better. And then this is the length of the dress. Again, don't mind the mirror. But इसकी फिटिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, फैब्रिक क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. Even in this intense heat, मैं लिटरली दोपहर में शूट कर रही हूँ, and I don't like feel like it's too heavy on my body. So I mean the fabric is good, like it's very breezy. So yeah, that's great, and I'm going to write the price for this particular fit over here. And now let's move on to the next item. And now coming on to the last item of this all, I have these sandals, and again they're very comfortable. Matlab if you want to like if you want something for work which is very comfortable, and if you're walking around a lot, I think this is the perfect footwear to go for. It has this cushiony feel which feels so comfortable, like I can walk in them for hours. Good. I'm going to write the price over here. So yes, you all, that was it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. And I'm going to come up with more videos this month, so stay tuned. And yeah,